Hello, good morning. This is Vasu Deshpande from EasyLib Software Private Limited. Here in this video, I'm going to give a brief overview of inventory management system in EasyLib. Once you log into EasyLib, you will see a menu button over here. You click on the menu. If you are authorized, you are going to see the inventory management system name over here. So I click on the inventory management, and these are the four screens in the beginning stages that you can start using it, and gradually you can use the much more advanced inventory management that has got a lot of other features. The first thing that you would do is you define the product types over here. So there are quite a few already defined. So let me define a new one. Okay, the new one shall be electronic goods. Okay, so I can give a code over here, and let's say I am going to give it as electronics. That's a product type ID. I can use the same one, or I can give the different name, electronics goods. Let me call it electronics items. We'll add it over here. So now this product type is defined as electronic items in the college. So under that, you are going to define different products. So first we define the product type, then you will define the different products. So I'm going to add a new one. The product code, I'm going to give it, let's say, AV01, or I should give it as audio visual. Okay. So I'm going to call it audio visual equipments. And these are going to come under the electronics appliances. Okay. And let's say that I have got about 5 or 10 quantity, whatever I have got, I can put the numbers over here. So let me say I'm putting about 10. So this is the audio visual equipment. Let's say that we have got about 10 televisions over here. So televisions. Okay, so now this is again electronic goods. So let's say this again we have got 10 televisions in the college. Okay, so now item master specifics of each of the item can be stored over here. So I can go over here, institute name. Let's say this is in this institute. I'm going to call it as TV01. So TV01, television 01, that's going to be the number of this particular item. Or if you want to give a different name, so because it's a Visual Institute of Technology, so I will call it as VIT. Okay, dash TV dash 01. If I want, I can put it over here. If I want to put a description, I can put, or otherwise I'll just name the item name, and item code can be the same. So this is an electronic item. So right, so this is a television. So televisions over here, and when was it purchased? So each item you are going to put it purchase. Let's say we purchased for about 30,000 rupees, and current location, which location I'm going to have it within the Vishweshwaraya Institute. Okay, so I'll this current value may be about 25,000 rupees. So let's say this was um, we enter the current value of the item and date of current value. Let's say today's date. And stock verified by whoever the person. It could come as automatically my name, and let's say we verified the stock today. So that is a TV01. So I added this. So like this, you can keep on adding over here. And if you have more TVs at your organization, you just go here, make it as a TV0202. If everything else is same, so let's say if it is in the same hall or in another hall, you change it wherever you are and just make it add again. So if you go again here, you will see TV01, TV02. If you have the audio visual material that we want to, if you want to add at the same college, so again you go here, make it audio visual item 01. So instead of the television, it is going to be the audio visual item equipment, and let's say the amount for that is let's say 50,000 rupees, and it's in the another hall. It has got the amount is 40,000 as of today, the value, the date verified, and all that you put it. So it's added over here. So now when you go into the customized item report, so these are the items that you have already got in your college, okay, or in a different set of colleges. You are seeing multiple colleges here because EasyLib 7.2 is designed to handle entire university over here. So that's why there is an ability to choose which college where these items are located. If you happen to be running only one college in EasyLib, so automatically it can default to the first college. And then here, if you see, we Shweshwaraya Institute of Technologies, it's got item code 123 TV, and then audio visual equipments and the location and so on. In here, you can choose to see more details, and then you can export these items. Or if you want to filter by, let's say, I'm just interested only in the audio visual items, I can just go here and click on this. You can filter it by different product types, or if you want to filter by institution name, location, item code, you can do. Or if you want to take the printout of the same one, you can simply click on export. The export is done, so the entire items are listed over here in this Excel, that you can print it, and you can probably reformat and then print it and then file it as necessary. So in a nutshell, this is the inventory management system. It is also feeding to the service desk over here. So let me go into the service desk module over here. So this is where people can create a ticket for each of these products. So that I'll cover it in a different module, because that portion comes under the service desk features. Okay. All right, have a good day. Thank you.